Okay, we're back working on the window. So I just temporarily mounted the trim ring onto the boat just so I could put some tape on the outside of this, so then when I put the adhesive on, it won't squeeze out onto the plastic tint. So I'm not sure how it would react to when I clean it. So I kind of want to protect the plastic tint. So I'm going to take the masking tape and mask it up, and then take the trim ring off, put the adhesive on the back of this, butter it up, and then put it on the deck, and then screw it down. So right now I've only got 4 screws in just to locate it. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to pause it while I put the tape on. There's absolutely no... Sorry about the noise. So I will take the tape and put it on while you wait. So when you come back, it'll be done. Okay, so I got it all taped up. So let me take the trim off. I've already loosened the screws. So let's take the screws off. And the trim ring is off. So let me just put down the edges again so the adhesive doesn't sneak by. Now I have like 5 other windows to do this too, so hopefully my methodology works on this. So now I'm going to take the trim ring and put some boat life on the back side of it, and then put it up here, and we'll tighten it down. And then this project will be pretty much done. So let me go do that. I'll pause you while I set up putting the adhesive on down below, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, that was a disproportionate amount of effort. But I got the trim ring in, I cleaned up the adhesive that squeezed out, so that's all done. I took the tape off, and it looks really, 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 really good. I'm really happy with the way it looks. I do have 1 screw to put in at the end where the crack was. It must have got filled in with epoxy when I epoxied the screw hole, so I need to drill that out and put the screw in there. But other than that, this job looks like it's done for the most part. I just still need to take the tape off on the inside. But it looks a little darker than it really is because the tape's still on and the inside is dark. There's no light on inside the boat. So that's probably about it. I might wrap it up on this video. So thank you for watching. This project's been a lot of fun. It was a lot more intense than I thought. I don't think I will put the tint on first on the other windows, because this really was an extraordinary amount of effort to get it on and try to keep the adhesive off. That was just a lot of effort. So next time I will, when I do the other windows, next time I will put the trim ring on and then put the tint on afterwards. So that's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more do-it-yourself boat repair videos.